Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tom here, the grumpy old guy. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below, request any videos you want me to do, hit that notification bell. Check out Fan Vote Friday. You get to vote on Friday's video. I put a group up and you get to vote on. Today we're doing a new one, and I'm never ever going to be able to pronounce her name. Ikimonogakari. They're a Japanese rock duo formed in '99. The group's name is reference to a group of children who are responsible for looking after plants and animals in Japanese elementary schools. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 13 letters, and I'll never, there's no way I could pronounce that. I have a hard time with English. But a Japanese duo, so they've been around since '99, 26 years. So let's go, something new. See, always looking for new stuff. So, but all the bands from Japan, Indonesia, South Korea, Asia in general have been super. They all play so fast. But I have a feeling this one ain't going to be a rocker. But let's go. I was wrong. I thought there wouldn't be rock I was good. I liked that. They were super. I loved the harmonica. She got a beautiful voice, guitars. Man, I was impressed. I was impressed. If they started in 99, that was 26 years ago. Say she was 20, so she'd be 46. There's no way. She looks like she's in her teens. Let me know how old they are and their names and stuff. Yeah, I'm always looking to learn anymore. But yeah, wow. I really enjoyed the hell out of that. That was super. They're really good. So we'll check out more for them. Give me some suggestions, and maybe down the road we'll get back to them. So now it's time for
Tom's Worthless Facts.
In 1960, at the Summer Olympics, Wilma Rudolph won 4 medals, 3 gold. She had conquered polio. She had polio as a kid and was able to get through it, because that was really, you'd be crippled. Also that year, 18-year-old Cassius Clay won the boxing's lightweight title. Cassius Clay, otherwise known Muhammad Ali, he ended up being a heavyweight. Also, Jeff Farrell won 2 gold medals in swimming, had his appendix out 6 days earlier, and he still won 2 golds. Also, 16-year-old Chris Von Salza won 3 medals, 1 gold. In the Winter Olympics that year, the biathlon made its debut. That was the first time it did. Helmut Reckernagel was the first German to win the ski jumping. And also that year, it was the first year women were allowed to speed skate. They had no women speed skating at that time, but you know, that was 1960. A lot was different back then, man. Yeah, I was only 2. Thank you so much. I appreciate all my friends out there. Talk to you every day. It's great. Jamie, Dennis, my buddy William, I'm hoping he's okay. I haven't heard from him in months. I know he was having a problem with his eyes. Hopefully he's okay. So health issues. We're all getting old. It's a shame. That's it for today. As my father always said, hang in there tough. Be Major League. Till next time. See ya.